Hello, I am Vikram Meheldar. I am the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of OCM Private Limited. I am in the company from last 10 years, and very recently we have launched a new brand called Grado. So Grado is a new age brand which comes from the house of OCM and GBTL, both heritage companies. And now both the companies were recently acquired by Dornier Industries Limited. So both the companies were looking at a name which denotes power, which denotes luxury. So the consumers, they get the entire basket of products, right from the premium most wools to the entry-level mass premium polyester viscose fabrics in different colors. We come up with more than 5,000 SKUs every season. And the range is so big that the consumer is really spoiled for choice. And on top of it, the brand is endorsed by none other than Mr. Amitabh Bachchan himself. Our product, has evolved, it has changed. And we are not only giving very subtle colors, which most of the ready-made players do. Now we are doing the entire range of designs. It's not just the subtle checks, but they're all the brighter, bold checks also. We are doing various micro patterns, we are doing chalk stripes, so all kinds of designs, because today's young customer, they want customized products, they want colors which are very bright, they want the entire range of colors from the light pastels to the dark, bright reds, greens, yellows, mauves, the sky blues, the coppers. So all of that is in our range. And the designers have really done a fabulous job in putting together a range which the young customer will actually like to have, and which he generally won't get in the stores that he generally walks through the day. To tell you one thing, OCM, although the full form is Oriental Carpet Manufacturers, but it's also known as Original Color Masters in the trade. Every design can look good if you really produce that in the right color, which is right for the eye, where the sheen of the product is nice, where it is sober, which looks rich. See, right now, Grado is being offered to the end consumers through a network of close to 10,000 multi-brand outlets. Our immediate plans are to offer the same products through e-commerce platforms. Grado from the house of OCM is a gold standard when it comes to tweeds and jacketing fabrics. And so is the case with Grado from the house of GBTL. So, we thought that the combined strength of both the companies has been blazers. The beauty with blazers is that it doesn't need to be formal. It can be casual, it can be a travel wear, it can be a leisure wear, it can be an overcoat becoming a winter wear, it can be a Nehru jacket becoming a traditional ethnic wear. So the range of jackets is big, it's versatile. Grado from the house of OCM is now coming up with its first exclusive big cotton range in the month of March. You won't ask me what I am wearing today. It's a fine wool-rich Grado suit, a light grey color with a pink check over it. So sober and so subtle. And if you touch it once, you will really like the fabric. I encourage each one of you to go to our stores and at least touch the product once. And if you have seen our advertisement, the campaign which we recently had on our televisions, where Mr. Bachchan himself endorsed the product and he talked about the bemisal touch of the fabric. If you do that once, I'm sure you will end up buying the same product every single time. And that's why Mr. Bachchan said, आप भी Grado पहनिए एक बार, फिर यही पहनेंगे बार बार.